Fitness trends come and go all the time, with certain workouts, diets, and supplements quickly fading away. But creatine is one ally that health professionals continue to strongly recommend for various groups due to its proven benefits. Whether it's improving performance in workouts or supporting overall health, it remains at the top of the list of the most reliable supplements. What makes creatine so special is its direct impact on increasing strength, muscle recovery, and even improving heart health. On top of that, it gives you that extra boost during your heaviest workouts. Want to know how to use creatine to maximize your results and improve your health? Keep watching and find out. Sources of creatine. Creatine, although famous in the world of sports and workout, has deeply natural roots. The human body already produces creatine from amino acids, specifically arginine, glycine, and methionine, with this process occurring mainly in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas, organs that work together to keep the body functioning. Additionally, by consuming meats and dairy, you get an extra dose of this crucial compound for your muscles. Around 40% of this natural creatine is eliminated through urine, but when you use supplements, this reserve is replenished, boosting muscle mass and improving performance in training sessions. Now, of course, we can't always rely solely on diet to obtain this muscle energy reserve. Creatine supplementation offers a more practical solution for those who want visible results at the gym without having to consume kilos of meat daily. By supplementing, you quickly reach the 5 grams needed to start feeling the effects. And the best part, this supplement helps convert creatine into phosphocreatine in the muscles, creating a true, instant energy reserve, essential for those seeking strength and endurance during heavy workouts. This phosphocreatine reserve works as a power boost for your muscles, especially during high-intensity activities. Imagine that moment when you're doing your last set at the gym and feel like you need that extra push. That's when creatine kicks in, quickly restoring ATP, the main energy source in cells. In other words, it gives you that extra edge to maximize your results, building big muscles and helping you lose weight more effectively during your training. And the best part? This is just the beginning of creatine's benefits. Benefits of creatine. Creatine is widely recognized for its benefits in enhancing performance and muscle gain, making it an essential supplement in any fitness regimen. During high-intensity activities like weightlifting or sprints, it acts in the muscles as a quick energy source, extending your ability to keep pushing limits. Creatine gives you that extra boost you need to get one more rep in, finishing your workout with the total muscle pump sensation. Besides improving performance in workouts, it also directly supports muscle growth, a crucial factor for those wanting to build big muscles. And more than that, studies show that with creatine use over 12 weeks, you can see significant increases in both strength and muscle mass. For those looking to optimize results at the gym, creatine is a solid choice. It acts like a catalyst, accelerating your progress. And having a good amount of muscle isn't just about sports performance or physical appearance. Lean mass helps control weight, prevent injuries, strengthen bones, regulate glucose levels, and improve heart health. It's an advantage that goes far beyond training and workouts. Creatine, therefore, becomes a powerful tool not just for your muscles, but for your overall health. And when everything aligns, the results only grow, opening the door to even more benefits down the road. Cognitive effects. While creatine is widely known in the fitness world for its effects on muscle growth and performance, there is evidence suggesting it may also have a positive impact on cognitive function. Early research suggests that creatine supplementation may improve memory and reasoning, especially in tasks that require intense mental effort. This means that, besides helping you in the gym, creatine could be an ally during moments when your brain needs extra energy, such as stressful situations or long study periods. What makes creatine a potential aid in the mental field is the fact that the brain, like muscles, also relies on a quick energy reserve to function efficiently. Just like during workouts, creatine may help restore energy in brain cells, aiding in maintaining focus and mental performance. But it is important to remember, there is no evidence that confirms its effectiveness in this application. Our evidence: muscle mass benefits. Creatine stands out as a powerful supplement when it comes to gaining muscle mass and controlling weight. Regular use of this compound not only increases muscle volume, but also helps maintain a healthy balance of body fat. With more muscles in your body, your metabolism speeds up, making it easier to lose weight effectively. And it doesn't stop there. By increasing lean muscle mass, creatine also provides better weight distribution during workouts, reducing the chance of injury. In addition to promoting muscle growth, creatine plays an important role in injury prevention and bone strengthening. As muscles grow, they create a support structure for the joints, reducing the risk of strains or other issues during training sessions. This muscle strengthening is vital, especially if you're dedicating yourself to high-intensity activities or contact sports. With creatine, you're not just building big muscles, but also protecting your body from potential damage. Finally, the benefits go beyond what you see in the mirror. A good amount of muscle mass is essential for overall health. It helps regulate glucose levels, which is crucial for energy control and avoiding blood sugar spikes. It strengthens bones and promotes better heart health. So, when you use creatine, you're not just improving your performance at the gym, you're investing in a healthier future where your body is more protected and prepared for challenges. And of course, that's just part of the benefits. Supplementation strategy. When it comes to maximizing results at the gym, a creatine supplementation strategy is key. What makes creatine so effective is its ability to increase phosphocreatine levels in the muscles. This substance is responsible for providing quick energy during high-intensity activities, such as sprints or weightlifting. By supplementing with creatine, you're literally loading your muscles with an instant energy reserve, ready to be used whenever physical effort demands it. The use of creatine in supplementation cycles is widely adopted by those seeking not only to improve performance, but also to speed up recovery between workouts. With elevated phosphocreatine levels, the body can regenerate ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the main energy source for muscle cells. This quick recovery is what allows you to continue exercising without losing strength or performance. It's like having an extra fuel tank, ready to take you beyond conventional limits. For those looking to build big muscles and achieve faster results at the gym, creatine supplementation is a smart strategy. By including 5 grams of creatine in your daily routine, you ensure a constant replenishment of your muscles' energy reserves. Plus, maintaining this practice over 12-week cycles can yield significant gains in both strength and muscle mass. And the more you use it, the more efficient your body becomes at producing energy. But that's just one part of what makes creatine so special. Dosage and safety. When it comes to creatine supplementation, dosage is a crucial factor. While 5 grams per day is considered ideal for improving performance in workouts and speeding up muscle growth, it's essential to follow professional guidelines. Creatine, like any supplement, should be used with caution, especially for those with pre-existing conditions. People with kidney or liver issues should consult a doctor before starting any creatine regimen, ensuring overall health isn't compromised. Regular use of creatine requires special attention to hydration as it draws water into the muscles, which can increase the need for fluids. When used correctly, it provides significant support for training, but overuse can pose risks. So always seek guidance before increasing the dose and respect recommended usage cycles. This way, you can maximize benefits without overloading your body. Supplementation is an art that combines science with self-awareness. Although creatine's benefits are well documented, it's essential to remember that everyone's body reacts uniquely. That's why monitoring your own results and staying alert to any discomfort or changes is the first step to safe use. Following correct guidance and maintaining a balanced lifestyle ensures you'll get the best out of creatine without compromising your health. And it's always worth remembering, a strong and healthy body is your best ally in your workouts and beyond. Now that you know the real benefits of creatine, it's time to take action. Are you ready to boost your results at the gym and improve your overall health? Let us know in the comments if you've tried creatine, or if you're thinking about starting, your experience could help others. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tips on workouts and health.